Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change background in Zoom application for Windows. Alright guys, here I have opened my Zoom application on my laptop, and if you want to change your background, the first thing you're going to do is clicking on this option. Here I'm turning off my camera, but it doesn't matter. If you want to change your background, you don't need to turn on your camera. So we can tap on this option, then you can tap on choose virtual background, then you can select the background that you want to use for your Zoom meeting. You can select the background that has been available on Zoom meeting, or you can also add the custom background. If you want to add photo from your device, you can click on this plus button. You can add image from your device, tap on add image, then you can select a photo or image from your device to be added to your Zoom, and I'm gonna go with this one. Tap on the image. Okay, now the image has been added, and for example, I'm just going to select this one. Okay, now as you can see that the background has been changed. Okay, and after that we just need to go back, and I'm going to turn on my camera. Okay, now the background has been changed. And alright guys, that's how we can change background on a Zoom application for Windows. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.